say we fear kwesi apia mekayo mon guys have video no me se nenka me bebo yakofa or Sofia every sebe Nigeria etuya millions of dollars because it wasn't just 1 million they paid that guy. Recently na mene Chifinka Edin Komo and Oka Chem say wow Ghana you people have money and I know chire me how that thing Nancy and Che bia because me person ni issue bi and I'm need Chifinka oma mo Toronto dia Chifinka mo behu Chifinka making and Oka chire me ye jai lu we ni eja ko num ne NDC for Mr Beautiful num ni na sorry awaye no tie say kwadu ayaka so abanya waba OC Creative Art Centers abanya waba now ye mu union no samo welfare se there no ye strategizing ye amount pesa aban mbom open dia well who Mr Beautiful said you even have the talent went and gave millions of dollars to Osofia in Ghana. Ema ne be ka kire ye say ya ye Dubai in Ghana interchange. Ya papa twumesi sa time na we he. Ya papa twumesi sa time na we he. Mama ye enjoy sa blind politics na ye no. Because the same way NDC for gina akwa mu say ye mpene ma ha wakum sin konko ye fishery ye. Woman yi ba ya wo de sa mere yi we ba ye. And there for the second time or the third time I ya tupu numu ayasin ebie no obi e ka so we dey a good policy eboa because emo no wa mo anyinyi na de bia wutu wo ho edikoko gusu a unya bi e kire wo bekọ koyi nkawa e na ade omo aba but say wo mo be ye 3 weeks 1 month bi no mutumi ye den o mutumi de nyini a wo ba you will get a bounty catch. That is policy ebro kire ha ya 2 hunting season mu ebrochire ha ya what time abetumi akoku aboa ene what time awuntumi koku aboa ya what time abetumi akọ fishing ene what time awuntumi nkọ fishing. Why do you think the black like the white man no ehun say ebire bi wo ho a eyese meto mepunu mu na moa na ewom na nyini ebire bi wo ho a eyese hura mu game na mekoku omo no enam na mekoku omo na eyese meto park mu say de ebe ya embo ewo ho no be den ebetwe ye park ikure ya na ye koso koye picnic ni ade. There are certain times of the year omo ye den they close it cause ye mpese human activities be ko ho akọ say the ecosystem na ewo ho no nti ye jai e ma ne to ye lucky park Ghana for it is system quiz media ye ma Ghana for ntiase ye system hwe andra me wo ho ana obi di we send me o se kwasi hwe ha wakum si na no mudi na tem hwe o se fisher folks have started recording bumper harvest days after the minister of the sa abaina onumbo bano abeka kire wo Ghana ni se maami e sika na wagene mentua ya NDC ya ba ya de bechem na ampa yentua because we don't have an identification but ende yabamao identification based a loan for school guarantor free based on what? Based on that thing called Ghana card because the banks can trace it to you. It is registered to where you live. It is registered to your voting. It is registered to your phone number. It is registered to everything so we can track you. Sometimes you know why you don't get it all. Sometimes you think about it, you don't get it. Aban bia ono na ebeba power o. Na futu a odi tu adwadifo ya maame no ma na etemokola ne say kufuo lo no de amamu no mamu ntua ye ba mo ye mo bi antua mo befa. Na Ghana ni no face wo ya aban. Abo aponche wo face wo ye ban. No wo dwen se wo ye Ghana aban. Utie ebre bi ba Ghana o. And ye create a credit system and it is already in works. Unimwa, go and read about it. And the Ghana, Nyanko Panda Roma, Utie, Nyanko Panda Roma, and the Ghana. We are gradually with this national identification card, create credit system. Na ohia ni ba wo Ghana. Na wo de wahwe wo su ye one to card no one fan kwagigi sika rough fan say no. Se wo pese bank bi guarantee ma na wo to dan a unni down payment ya na sika kra yetumi guarantee atama because o credit ye clean. Se wo pese wo be a company a esan se ye nimu se sebe number kura wo ninti ye behu na ya jinti ye se beje na fa ko bie wo business im. Open glass nko a sa ne amane na ma glass nko a glass nko a ana woni open glass nko a hwe form na di free sa ne ama we na ma wutumi hwe form edidi free. The Dr. Bawumia through the communication ministry gradually is building a credit system for Ghana. Now, sebe workers, especially more private for now. Yes, it's with DBR. Wow, we are private worker no. Now, your companies can have health insurance schemes that covers drug plans. You understand? Because a juma may say na me no na omoma me how do you call it? May say me dentist, say me dura free. Me call hospital be free. But without this, we won't be able to force your employers to make this happen. How is the welfare of your employers? Benefits ben a woman. Se wo employee wu a eden eda homa no eno ane se ya share ayituma ne a 1000 Ghana de a share envelope mu eye owure ye oda we eye wo hweke ye siwo ye frinkran no ha papei mesramo abusua momfa masomra ha mame ye papei wa bobra se wo beka ya ye setete no na ono na no ye driver edema PNC a eno no ewo enkran no ho enti wo hwe ka fefe ya esia yi a eyen krafo no ma show matade a wo ma to santen adwumayefo. You think that is all you deserve after serving a company? Some of you have been working for these companies for how long? 30 years and over. They are taking you for a ride. The big people with the money are taking you Ghanaians for a ride. There is no unisika with the better because drug planner esanka sebe where you move for the mount anyhow you were a worker. These are the things you are supposed to fight for, and it's all done possible if you are able to digitize, put in place measures. Sister wuti obo brother wo hwem wa kachi abo utie wo a wo hwem wo sunyan sa abiri enya wo dia